Hello students, this is Yogita Datar, subject teacher of Engineering Mathematics from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, Solapur. We are dealing with the first unit, that is Laplace transform, and so far we have studied its definition, some standard results, some properties, and also have solved some examples. Also we have started the last point, that is the Laplace transform of some special functions. Out of the mentioned special functions, we have seen how to find the Laplace transform of periodic functions. And in the last lecture we have started the next special function, that is the Laplace transform of Heaviside unit step function. In the last lecture we have seen what is the Heaviside unit step function and how we can express the given function of t defined in two different intervals in the form of Heaviside's unit step function form. Okay, now we will see how to find the Laplace transform of Heaviside's unit step function. So first we have to see the formulae to find the Laplace transform of Heaviside unit step function. The first formula, L of u of t minus a is equal to 1 upon s e raised to minus as. This formula we can prove using the definition of Laplace transform, which is in integration form, that is integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. In that, f of t can be replaced by u of t minus a, and as per the definition we have to put its values for that particular interval, and then by actual integration we can verify this answer. Now if we put a equal to 0 in this result, we get if a equal to 0, L of u of t is equal to 1 upon s e raised to 0s. 0s means e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1. So it is simply 1 upon s. Now if this function u of t minus a is multiplied by some another function f of t, then its Laplace transform is e raised to minus as into Laplace transform of f of a plus t. So here f of t has become now f of a plus t, and first we have to find this modified function f of a plus t, and then we have to find its Laplace transform using the previously studied methods or properties. Next, if this t here, if this t is replaced by t minus a, then this result becomes f of t minus a, no change in this u function, that is Heaviside function, f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as, and here a plus t minus a get cancelled, so it is simply L of f of t. So L of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as into L of f of t. Okay. Again in this result, if a equal to 0, then L of f of t into u of t is equal to e raised to 0 for a equal to 0, that is 1. So it is simply Laplace transform of f of t. Now we will solve example. Find a Laplace transform of the following functions. The first function is 1 plus 2t minus 3t square plus 4t cube into u of t minus 2. The first bracket is nothing but some function of t, that is our small f of t, and u into t minus 2 is Heaviside unit step function, and as compared to u of t minus a, we get here a equal to 2. So solution, the given function is of the form f of t into u of t minus a. See, in these examples, first we have to decide, or first we have to identify the form of the given function, as we have seen the results of Laplace transform of Heaviside unit step function, different forms. So here f of t is equal to 1 plus 2t minus 3t square plus 4t cube, and a equal to 2. And for this form, the Laplace transform result is like this. So surely we have to first find this f of a plus t, that is here a is 2. So L of f of 2 plus t is the first step, and then we have to just multiply it by e raised to a minus as, that is e raised to minus 2s. So now first we will find f of a plus t. So for this f of t and a we have identified. Now this t is replaced by t plus 2. So it is 1 plus 2 into 2 plus t minus 3 into 2 plus t square plus 4 into 2 plus t cube. Now we have to apply here square expansion and cube expansion result of a plus b. So on simplification we get this next step. On more simplification we get this step, and the most simplified f of 2 plus t is 25 plus 38t plus 21t square plus 4t cube. So this is your f of 2 plus t. Now we have to find its Laplace transform. L of 1 plus 2t minus 3t square plus 4t cube into u of t minus 2, that is the given function, is equal to e raised to minus as. A is 2 here, so e raised to minus 2s into Laplace transform of this f of 2 plus t. So now we will find only Laplace transform of 25 plus 38t plus 21t square plus 4t cube. Now see here, these three terms are in the form of t raised to n, and n is integer, so index is integer, so you have to use the Laplace transform of t raised to n as n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1 result. So applying this result we get the next step. E raised to minus 2 is just a multiplier, 25 into 1, so Laplace transform of 1 is 1 upon s. Laplace transform of t 1 upon s square. Laplace transform of t square 2 factorial upon s cube. Laplace transform of t cube 3 factorial upon s raised to 4. And just you have to simplify this. You will get this final answer. So these examples are really very simple and scoring one. There will be at least one example from this topic. Now one more example we will solve. Using Laplace transform, evaluate integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus t 1 plus 2t minus t square plus t cube into u of t minus 1 dt. Now see here, when there is a question of the form evaluate and the integration is definite integration and the limits of integration are from 0 to infinity, then and then only you can apply the Laplace transform method to find this result. So this is nothing but Laplace transform of this function other than exponential term at s equal to 1. Why at s equal to 1? Because here e raised to minus st is e raised to minus t, means st is equal to t, that is s equal to 1. So for the particular value of s as 1 we have to find this result. So first we will find Laplace transform of this one just as in first example, and then in that result we will put s equal to 1. Okay, now again this function is of the form f of t into u of t minus a. Comparing the function with the standard form, we get the f of t and a value. Here f of t is this first bracket and a is 1, and here we have to apply the Laplace transform of f of t into u of t minus a result, e raised to minus as into Laplace of f of a plus t, and for this reason we should have this result first. So first we will find f of a plus t, that is f of 1 plus t, as here a is 1, and f of t is 1 plus 2t minus t square plus t cube. So first we should have modified function. So what is done here? You have to just replace t by 1 plus t in all these terms, and you have to simplify using a plus b bracket square expansion and a plus b bracket cube expansion. So simplification gives us the f of 1 plus t as very simple example, sorry, very simple function 3 plus 3t plus 2t square plus t cube. So now we have to apply that result of Laplace transform with a equal to 1, as here u of t minus 1 is there. So you should find Laplace transform of 3 plus 3t plus 2t square plus t cube. Again here the terms are in the form of t raised to n, where n is an integer. So we have to apply n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1 result of Laplace transform. Same as in the previous example, we have to find this. Now here s is 1. So okay, first all this is about the Laplace transform of this result, but we are asked to find the value of the integration for the particular value of s. So now in this latest result of Laplace transform, we have to put s is equal to 1 to find this integration real number value. So on substitution of s equal to 1 in this latest result, we get 16 by e as a final answer. So referring these two examples, you can solve the examples to find a Laplace transform of Heaviside function, where the function is in the form f of t into u of t minus a. So some examples for practice. So here the function is t and a value is 4. So you have to just write first f of t as f of a plus t, that is f of 4 plus t. Find its Laplace transform and then multiply it by e raised to minus as. Second one is t raised to 4 into u of t minus 2. Here f of t is t raised to 4 and a value is 2. F of t is t square and a value is 3. And the last one is f of t is 1 plus 2t plus 3t square plus t cube and u of t minus 3. So a equal to 3. So refer the two examples solved here and then solve these 4 examples. Thank you.